Okay, let's take a look at exercise 9-2. After planning to build a new plant, the company purchased a large lot on which a small building was located. The purchase price was $1.2 million for the lot plus $480,000 for the building. They paid $75,000 to have the old building torn down and $105,000 for the leveling of the lot. Then they paid $2,880,000 in construction cost, which included the cost of a new building plus $215,000 for lighting and paving a parking lot next to the building. So we are to present a single journal entry to record the cost incurred, all of which were paid in cash. So before we do our journal entry, we have to determine what the total costs were. So we're going to have the cost of the land and then the cost of the new building that they're constructing. So when we look at the cost of the land, we are going to include $1.2 million for the lot. That's the price of the land. They paid $480,000 for the building, but they're tearing this building down, but that's still included in the cost of the land that they're purchasing, so the purchase price for the old building. Then the $75,000 to have the old building torn down, and $105,000 to level the lot. These are all costs that would be included with the cost of the land, because it's the cost of getting the land ready for its intended use, which was to construct the new building. Then it says the construction costs were $2,880,000, but that included $215,000 for lighting and paving the parking lot. The lighting and paving of the parking lot are considered land improvements. So we have to take those away from the construction costs to get the actual cost of the building itself, because we're going to account for the improvements separately. So therefore we're going to have land, which is the total here, $1.86 million, the land improvements of $215,000, and the building, which is this amount here, the total construction costs less the land improvements. So we're going to debit each of those, which will increase the totals in those various accounts. And then we're going to credit cash, because it was entirely paid with cash and as of March 10th, 2020. Okay, so yes, so that's it for that question. So the things to take note of are what is included in the cost of the land, and taking note that the land improvements are separate from the rest of the building costs.